Hello, my name's Kristen Milton. I'm the Geoscience Australia Enterprise GIS team lead, which means I'm not really a data custodian, but I'm a technical custodian of a lot of data services. So welcome to Geoscience Australia and welcome to Data Jam. One thing that we do, well, the overarching mission of Geoscience Australia is to apply geoscience to Australia's most important challenges, and that's our web link up there. What this means in practice is we are custodians of a lot of different data. So one of our biggest success factors at GA is that we want people to use our data once we've created and acquired it. And if you go to this this web link here, you get access to our catalogue of all of our products, including data. So this is broader products that we produce, but data sets as well. We measure our success by how much our data gets used. So our goal for GovHack is for you guys to use our web data services to do something awesome. And that link there will take you directly to a page which lists out a wide variety of web data services, mostly OGC compliant, that we use to share our data with the world. All of the data shared there is open data. It's all CC BY, so as long as you make sure that we are mentioned in the use of the data, it's fine to use it for whatever purposes you want. So one of the data sets that we're really spurring, we would love you to use, is called the Landsat archive. This is data that was acquired between 1998 and 2012 from the Landsat satellites that were up at the time. It's 16-day repeat capture for the entire Australian continent, and it's got a temporal, so you've got the full scenes going back over time as well as space. The way to access the data is through the web services that we have available. And it's approximately 131,000 different web services, one for each scene that we have. So how do you get to it? Well, there's one overarching catalogue web service, and that is the link to it there. All of these will be available on our data page on the GovHack hackerspace at some point in the future. And this has an individual record for every single service. So what does that mean in practice? I really wanted to show you guys a video that we've got that someone created of what this data looks like when you use it. Please work. Oh. Okay. I tested everything else on this PC but that. No? There we go. Okay, so every record in the web catalogue service represents one scene as a WMS. Every WMS service is made up of 6 layers, one for each band, plus a false colour composite. And this is showing you the false colour composites there. Other things to note when you actually use the data, you will see as it flicks through that there's holes in the data from cloud cover or smoke or other processing error. And the scale of this, it's not street view level data. But so you don't want to zoom down to maybe just your house, but at a level of a suburb, it shows you a lot of change over time, and it's magic. This one particularly is Menindee Lakes in the Murray-Darling Basin, and it's showing how full the lakes get and how empty they are over the period of the Landsat archive. So you can do really fun things with the false colour image, looking at specifically water, but also land cover and vegetation. The other thing to notice is that you'd want to be very careful with the scale using this data, that you don't grab the whole of Australia, and likewise you don't try and zoom down to the stage where you've only got 4 pixels on the screen. But we think an excellent app that you could build for GovHack would be doing something like grabbing the user's location.
Not telling them things yet to talk to.
Sorry. Anyway, we would really like you to do awesome stuff with our data that is available via web services, and now I will finish on that note.
Otherwise people will just build it now.